Dive into today's video as we uncover the captivating world of coconut production and processing. From idyllic farms to bustling factories, picture the coconut tree, a tropical superstar belonging to the palm family, offering us not just a simple fruit, but a treasure trove of possibilities. Imagine this: it provides nourishment, fuels for our lives, enhances our beauty routine, offers traditional remedies, and even constructs our homes. But that's just the beginning. Imagine sinking your teeth into the succulent flesh of a mature coconut, savoring its deliciousness and relishing in the rejuvenating coconut milk extracted from it. This magical duo graces the tables of countless individuals across tropical and subtropical regions, becoming an integral part of their lives. And here's the kicker: coconuts stand apart from the fruit crowd, brimming with refreshing coconut water within their endosperm. It's like nature's own hydrating elixir, making these fruits truly unique. Hold on to your hat, because the adventure doesn't stop there. Ripe coconuts are not just snacks, they're versatile powerhouses. They can be transformed into edible seeds, turned into enriching oils and plant-based milk, or even harnessed for their tough shells to make charcoal. The fibrous husk, that's used for coir, crafting everything from mats to baskets. Oh, and don't even get us started on the glorious coconut sap, which can be turned into drinks, fermented into wine, or transformed into vinegar. Talk about a multi-talented performer. But how do coconuts come to life? They thrive in steamy tropical climates, requiring consistent warmth and moisture to flourish. In the midst of such conditions, they reward us with their bounty. Yet the palm trees struggle in arid zones, relying on frequent irrigation to survive. Imagine the tree's leaves swaying in the breeze, but in drought, they might not open as they should, and the once vibrant fruit can be shed like a heavy burden. Now, picture harvest time, a blend of tradition and risk. Two main methods reign supreme: climbing and fold techniques. Climbing, though prevalent, isn't for the faint of heart, demanding skilled climbers who dance with danger amidst the treetops. It's an age-old practice that requires a unique posture, a balancing act that exerts pressure on the trunk with the feet. Yet it also is a dangerous endeavor, with climbers facing musculoskeletal woes and even the threat of falling from great heights. Hold on to your hats, because Indonesia takes the spotlight as the kingpin of coconut production. In 2020 alone, a staggering 16.82 million metric tons of coconuts sprouted in its tropical haven. Indonesians proudly claim that there's a use for every day of the year with the coconut palm, and it's no exaggeration. The coconut's transformation journey is one of awe-inspiring versatility. Fasten your seatbelts as we delve into the mesmerizing world of coconut processing. Here, the kernel and water reign supreme, uniting as the foundation for an array of coconut wonders. Coconut water, a refreshing elixir that's both clean and nourishing, quenches your thirst like no other. Imagine the white, calorie-rich flesh elevating South Indonesian cuisine with its delectable goodness. But that's not all. Think about extracting quality oil, proteins, and carbs from that gratifyingly grated wet coconut kernel. It's not just cooking and confectionery that relish this bounty, it's a cornerstone of various industries. The coconut's versatility strikes again, this time as the unsung hero of chocolate and confectionery. Think desiccated coconut, the hero behind the scenes. Imagine carefully extracting the nut from its hard shell, peeling off the thin brown rind. Precision is key. Any oversight might taint the pure goodness. After this meticulous process, we've got the pet nuts ready to be washed, shredded, and treated with steam or hot water to eliminate any lurking nasties. It's all about that critical moisture level, ensuring the final product is primed for a lasting shelf life. Hold on to your taste buds as we explore the diverse universe of coconut products, from moist sweetened coconut to toasted, creamed, and tenderized versions, each catered to delight the chocolate and confectionery aficionados, ensuring a world of culinary exploration. Now, we flip the spotlight to the extraction of coconut oil, a journey paved with both tradition and modernity. Traditional methods channel time-honored practices, separating coconut meat, sun-drying, smoke-drying, chopping, cooking, expelling, and finally filtering. It's a craft preserved in villages, a heritage that continues to shape the coconut-rich cultures. Modern mechanical ways, on the other hand, introduce efficiency and innovation. Imagine cracking coconut shells, slicing meat, and a symphony of modern machines churning out coconut oil, all while preserving its purity. Storage becomes an art, safeguarding the precious oil in airtight containers, ensuring its richness endures. But wait, there's more. Enter the cold extraction process, a sustainable marvel. It involves tapping into coconut milk's essence without any heating shenanigans. It's all about embracing mature coconuts as their oil content flourishes over time. This process champions both environment and efficiency, cutting down on energy needs while creating a pristine, untainted product. And finally, the coconut's enigmatic versatility steps back into the spotlight. Imagine a world where one fruit is a drupe, a seed, and a nut all at once. It's a powerhouse that provides us with nourishment, fuels our lives, and even forms the foundation of our abodes. Coconut milk's rising fame among plant-based diets heralds a booming market, set to double by 2027, reaching an impressive $1.78 billion USD. But hold on to your hats, because there's more innovation on the horizon. Enter coconut flour, a hidden gem emerging from coconut milk residue. It's not just about income, it's about delivering health in every bite. This flour steps up as a filler, bulking agent, and a game-changing substitute for traditional flours. Think beyond baking. It's a revolution that's steaming into baked goods, snacks, and more. One byproduct stands out: coconut staple, stemming from coconut meal post-milk extraction. Its journey leads to the creation of coconut flour, a fiber-rich hero that's rewriting dietary norms. This hero doesn't just promise health benefits. It has the potential to transform industries, spawning functional foods to tackle chronic diseases. Talk about a potent ingredient in the battle for well-being. The coconut palm, a fixture across the tropics, dances with beauty and utility, a symbol of both decorative charm and essential sustenance. From the roots to the crown, the coconut palm serves humanity, boasting economic value that's hard to match. Imagine its versatility echoing through its myriad names. Buko Sarabaguna, a nod to 1,000 uses, and Tree of Life, an accolade from the Philippines. Brace yourself, because the coconut isn't just a tree, it's a lifeline, a symbol of boundless potential. Thank you for watching.